Don't let those leads get away. Come hang out with us at the Voice AI for Local Biz Workshop and learn how to automate your phone calls, manage incoming leads, and book appointments around the clock. You'll never miss a lead opportunity again. Here's what you'll learn for free. Day 1. Kickstart your voice AI journey. Discover how voice AI can handle calls, qualify leads, and book appointments for you. Check out real-world examples from med spas, dentists, roofers, and more. Join a live demo to set up your first voice AI workflow in HighLevel. Day 2. Get your follow-up automated and system ready. Dive into setting up missed call texts, lead nurturing, and call routing. Personalize your scripts, triggers, and automations to fit your needs. Go live with your complete voice AI system alongside JB and Haplin. Check out the free Voice AI for Local Biz Workshop and snag some awesome perks. Voice AI Playbook for Local Leads. Dive into how AI can handle calls, qualify leads, and book appointments all on its own. Get the lowdown on scripts and workflows that are helping agencies score more business effortlessly. Inbound calls, handled 24/7. Say goodbye to losing leads to voicemail. Set up smart voice AI systems that take care of answering, routing, and responding to every call, even after hours. It's perfect for med spas, roofers, dentists, or any local biz that relies on phone calls. Automations that convert. Turn missed calls into texts and chats into customers with ready-made high-level workflows that nurture leads and close deals automatically. Your voice AI system, built live. During the workshop, you'll get hands-on experience creating your own voice AI workflow alongside HighLevel's dynamic duo, JB and Haplin, with real-time support and step-by-step demos. Just joined HighLevel? Awesome! You're in for a treat with 50% off your first 3 months, giving you full access to everything, CRM, automation, and the whole selling on social system. Don't let those missed calls slip away. Turn them into cash. Click the link below to sign up now.